Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Ashburn, Virginia that has a bump out window leak, and I'm going to show you exactly what we need to do to fix the problem. Now, looking at the metal roof, there is no problem here. Even though the leak is directly below where the metal roof meets the brick wall, the sealant is very good. They did an excellent job. The window directly above, there's no problems there. The gable vent, it's fine, but here, I wanted to show you this. There's a missing shingle right at the top. The image is coming out a little bit blurry, but also the fascia board is all split, and the soffit is all split too, because the water is getting in through that missing shingle at the ridge, and the water is dropping down inside the soffit, and it's also going inside the exterior wall between the bricks and the drywall, and the water is wrapping around the gable, wrapping around the window, and settling at the metal roof. Now also there's ice that's built up inside the soffit, and it's cold out. It's like 20 degrees and there's some snow on the roof. So what we need to do is just replace the damaged shingle, and then also the fascia is going to have to be removed and replaced because it's all split, and there's about almost a 3/4 inch gap. So this leak will only occur when there's a heavy downpour or a wind-driven rain. Again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair and window leak repair in Ashburn and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Hi, this is Steve again. This is a continuation of my first video. Now, when I was finished uploading the first video, I decided I wanted to check the gutters to see how everything looks. And when I looked at it closely, I could see that the gutter was sagging right here on the right side. Now, the image is coming out a little foggy again. Now, the reason why it's dropping down is because whoever installed the gutters, he did not attach it to the rafters, and all he did is just nail it into the fascia. So we need to reattach it and lift that gutter up high on the right side so the water flows down to the left. So being that that gutter is sagging, that water can overflow over the back, and it can leak right across the top of this window. Also, the water can wrap around the window and settle on the metal roof. So that gutter has to be taken care of as well, because if it's not, they will still continue to have that bump out window leak. Thank you. Again, this is Steve, Roofer 911. Thank you.